Guys, greetings from CALQ. Today I'm going to show you how to check if singly reinforced beam or doubly reinforced beam. So we have here in our reference manual for CALQ RCBM. So under table of contents, so I have here to check if singly or doubly. So I'll go with this one. So I'll go with uh, under investigation, how to check if it is singly or doubly reinforced beam. Okay, so balito yun. And we have here a problem. So determining if the top bars will be taken as a compression bar or just a strap holder. So a rectangular concrete beam having a width of 410 and effective depth of 586 mm is reinforced with N 28 millimeter diameter tension bars and uh, 3 na 20 millimeter diameter na compression bars located at D prime, which is 60 mm, from the topmost fiber of the concrete beam. And assume that FC prime is 20.7 megapascal and Fy is 345 megapascal. And use uh, 2015 na NECP code provision. So determine if the given beam is to be analyzed as singly or doubly. So i-analyze lang natin to kung singly ba siya or doubly. So we have N na 3 pieces of 28 millimeter na tension bars, 6 and 9 pieces na 28 millimeter diameter na tension bars. So I have here a conventional solution on how to do that. So, but I'll be using the CALQ RCBM to perform such calculation. So I have here a conventional solution that is also included in the reference manual. So aside from conventional solution, I have also attached here in the reference manual the calculation using the CALQ RCBM. Okay, so to do this in CALQ RCBM, so under investigation, kasi given yung reverse no? So yung gagawin natin dito is open natin yung CALQ RCBM. So ito yan, click lang natin yung icon. And so now we log in. So I have now here the workspace. So this is investigation process. So in getting started, let's select the investigation. And then kahit saan lang sa dalawa, no? So kahit saan lang dito, singly or doubly. It doesn't matter. So dito tayo, no? Check natin yan. Ito yung checker natin. Ayan. So, yung beam width is 410. So, 410. While yung effective depth natin is 586. So, yung FC prime is also given. We have 20.7. And then we have Fy, which is 345. So, we can calculate for beta. And then, we have this ES na. ES for tension bars. So, nahin ko muna yung tatlong 28 pieces na tatlong pieces ng 28 millimeter diameter bars. So, computing ko muna. So, tatlong So, I have 1847. So, yan yung ilalagay ko dito. 1847.25648. And then, we can now calculate. Okay, so click calculate, and then let's wait for CALQ RCBM to do the calculation. Yan na, no? So makikita natin dito na we have calculate the, so dito sa conventional, that is the same, no? We have calculate the still ratio. We have 0.00767, and then using 2015 na NECP code, so we have calculate also the maximum, no? So the maximum, dito natin yan kinumpit. Ayan, ito. So makikita natin dito sa maximum we have 0.0186, no? So therefore we have ES max ngayon. If we next page, so yung ES max natin is we have 4468.836, no? Single pension. So I guess due to this one, it's okay, no? 4463. So now makikita natin na yung remarks is we investigate as singly. So which is the same remarks here, no? We analyze as singly reinforced, no? Kasi yung ES is less than ES max, yung steal ratio is less than the maximum steal ratio, and we can also take the top versus the upholder only, no? So yan, and if we use 2001, so ganun din, no? Yung remarks sa 2001, nakikita natin dito sa row max niya is 0.75 ng row balance. So I believe dito sa conventional is di ko ito pala, no? So dito sa 2001, and so we have this balance na still ratio, which is also the same, 0.0275, and the row max is 0.0206. So we have this ES max na 4959.653. So I think sa decimal yan. So anyway, yung remarks nila is again the same. We investigate as singly. So we cannot proceed on the investigate as singly. And so dito na tayo, no? Kung ano talaga yung property. So ganun lang mag-investigate if singly or doubly using under investigation, no? Process. Okay? So sa design process naman, so if we go back here sa table of contents natin, and then I'll just go back to workspace. So here's investigation, and nakikita natin yan. Ito yan, sa design under design, singly or doubly under the design process. So check on that. Ito yan, meron din tayo dito example, and also a conventional solution for that one. And also I have also attached the calculation using CALQ RCBM. But to perform this singly or doubly, checking under design process, in CALQ RCBM, we just click on getting started under design process, and then we just input the given values, tulad nung kanina. So for example, yung lead niya dito is 320, and then yung effective depth niya is 520, and then dito sa D prime is wala siyang binigay, no? So wala siyang binigay, so assume na lang tayo ng values dito. So say 65, and yung copper minimum is 40. So save this one, then we have FC prime now. FC prime is given, we have 27, Fy is also given. We have 345. We have 23.5 for unit weight of concrete, and we can now calculate for beta. Save. So here in rebars, yung binigay is determine required cell area. Wala namang binigay. No? So anyway, assume na lang natin na 20 tsaka say 12. No? And then dito, let's assume, actually nag-perform tayo dito ng design na talaga. No? Pero yung concern lang na kasi natin dito is paano i-perform ni CALQ RCBM yung determination of singular doubly. So, let's say yung demand natin dito is 483. 483.2. And that, then analyze. And then we click on recommended one, the transition zone. So, well, in transition zone is using the ratio of C over D equal to 3/7. So, ayan na, no? So, using 2001, verify natin yan. Ayan. So, makikita natin na singly reinforced beam using 2010 or 2015 na NSAP code. Makikita din natin na using na yung problem is singly reinforced beam. So, ganun lang. No? And how CALQ RCBM performs the determination if singly or doubly for both design and investigation process. So, thank you for listening and keep safe everyone.